Hi, my friends! Can you believe it? It's Christmas Eve tomorrow, and Christmas Eve and Christmas Day will be really, really special for unboxing of our advent calendars. Let's open number 23. And as usual, from Harrods on December 23rd, we have two from the same brand at least. So this is, it's a brow serum by Shampoo for thicker, fuller brows, and a lash serum by Shampoo for thicker lashes. These two. And then from Cult Beauty, let's see what they have for us. Oh, it's from Huda Beauty. It's a Faux filler extra shine lip gloss, 3.9 milliliters or 0.13 fluid ounces. And the shade is She's Flirty. Let's have a look. That's the one. It's really light. That was from Huda Beauty. I like Huda. From SpaceNK. Oh, wow. So this is another one from AUGUSTINUS powder. This is actually the Retinol serum with the TFC 8. It's 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. Wow. That is really good. I'm looking forward to trying that out. That's really amazing, actually. Good one. Like that. So, can you believe it? Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. And remember to watch the video from tomorrow. Because tomorrow on Christmas Eve and on Christmas Day will be special. So I recommend you coming by and watching those videos. What can I say? But I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you're ready for Christmas. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, my friends.